Natyarambha Shloka. These are the 7 shlokas written in Natyashastra by Bharata Muni, which must be recited by the dancers before starting a dance. Pranamme sirsa devo Pitamaha Maheshwarau Natyashastram pravakshyami Brahmanaya dhutarutam. Meaning, Bharata Muni explains the Natya Shastra, which is the science of dance that was preached to him by Lord Brahma. Before that, he bows his head to Pitamaha Brahma, who is the creator of Natya Shastra, and Maheshwara, who is the creator of dance. Devatanam sirastastau Gurunam asya samsthitaha Vakshataschaiva vipuranam Sheshetva niyamodbhavet. Meaning, this shlokam sets the way in which a dancer should offer prayers, which is namaskaram. Namaskaram is offered by using Anjali Hasta. We pray to God, who is the Devata, who we believe resides in the heaven, by placing the Anjali Hasta above the head, which is Sirastastu, and to the teacher, the Guru, by placing the Anjali Hasta on the forehead, and to the elders, Vipra, by placing the Anjali Hasta in front of the chest. There is no specific way to offer namaskaram to the others, but they should always be respected. Vishnu Shakti Samutpanne Chitravarne Mahitale Anekaratna Sampanne Bhumi Devi Namastute. Meaning, the dancer offers salutation, Namastute, to the Mother Earth, who is the Bhumi Devi, who is conceived, Samutpanne, from the power and strength of Lord Vishnu, and who is endowed with a magnificent horizon of picturesque colors, which is the Chitravarne, and many means Aneka, precious stones called Ratna. Samudra Vasane Devi Parvathasthana Mandale Natyam Karishe Bhudevi Padaghatam Samaswame. The dancer seeks forgiveness, means Shama, from the Mother Earth for stepping on her, which is called Padaghatam, while she dances. The Mother Earth adorns oceans as her jewels, mountains as breasts, and is the wife of Lord Vishnu. Kati, Karna, Samayatra, Kurparamsha, Sirasthata, Samunnatham, Oraschaiva, Shausthavam Nama Tatbhaved. Meaning, this shloka explains the correct posture a dancer should have while dancing, called Shausthavam. The correct posture is when you align your ears, called Karna, with the waist, the Kati, the head, Shira, raised with chin slightly up, and the chest raised slightly. The shoulders and elbows, called Korpar, are also aligned. Then such posture is called Shausthavam. Prayena karane karyo Vamavakshasthita karaha Charannasyanugashapi Dakshinastu bhavet karaha. Meaning, before beginning the dance, the Karana, the hand should be held in front of the chest. The feet should be placed sideways with the heels touching. Dance should always be started with the right hand and right leg. Sarva Shastra Sampannam Sharva Shilpa Pravartakam Natyakyam Panchamam Vedam Shetihasam Karumyaham. Meaning, Lord Brahma describes Natya as the enriched culmination of all swaras, sciences, which is called Shastra, sculptures which is called Shilpa, which can be treated as the fifth Panchama Veda.